Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing around with new makeup. I have Ofra Cosmetics products and this is going to be my very first time trying it out. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, like and comment on this video, and of course to join my giveaway. This is it right here. This is the Ofra NIKKIETUTORIALS collaboration and I am so excited to get into this, so let's get started. This is how the Ofra NIKKIETUTORIALS collab looks like, and it comes with a highlighter and 3 lip products. I am so excited for this because I've been super busy lately and I've just never gotten the time to really sit down and film videos, so I'm so excited that I get to do that today. So let us open this up. Are you guys ready? I don't think you're ready for this. Now it's time for the big reveal. Ta-da! So this is how the products look like. It is so stunning. I'm so excited to put this all over my face. This one is the Everglow highlighter, so it actually has 3 different shades of highlighter and just 1 compact. These 3 are all long-lasting liquid lipsticks in different shades. So this one is Spell, Coven, and Nude Potion. Let's start it off with this Everglow highlighter. The packaging doesn't really give me high-end type of vibes, but you know what? I think that's okay. It's very simple and it really just highlights the product. This is how all 3 shades look like. So there is a white one, a light gold one, and a bronzy one. Let's do finger swatches on all the shades. They feel so smooth and silky, and this is how they look like on my fingers. So I'm just gonna swatch it on my arm. Wow. This is how the shades look like swatched on my arm. They look so beautiful and pigmented and they feel so silky, and I'm so excited to put this all over my face. I'm gonna use this light gold shade on the high points of my face. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That was just 1 layer of the highlight. That is so glowy and it feels so good on the skin. It's actually super blinding. That was amazing. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm so excited. Wow. I mean, that is wow. This is definitely a bit too intense for me, so I'm just gonna be blending it out a bit. But this color is so good. I really didn't expect it to be this blinding. It's amazing. Now I'm gonna add this bronzy shade all over my lid. Wow, that is some serious pigment. Are you guys seeing this? That is amazing. And this isn't even an eyeshadow, this is a highlighter. Boom, that is a beautiful copper eye look. But you know what, let's see if there's fallout under my eye. I actually don't see anything, which is amazing because usually metallics have a bit of fallout, but this one doesn't have any at all, so this can definitely be used as an eyeshadow. This time I'm gonna try applying it wet, so I'm just gonna spritz it a bit and let's see if there's actually a difference. Whoa, okay, so there is actually a really big difference if you wet the brush. It's even more pigmented than it already is, so I think I'm gonna go over the other side with the wet application. On my right eyelid, I applied the highlighter dry, and on my left eyelid, I applied it wet. So as you guys can see, there's a little bit of a difference. It's actually more pigmented on the left side, but you know, the right side looks really good too. So it's really just preference which one you like, but this left side is actually more pigmented and silky looking as compared to the right side, which just looks a little bit more powdery. There's fallout under my eyes, so I guess spritzing it with water adds some fallout. I don't know why, or maybe I just applied too much. Now I'm just gonna blend out the edges so it doesn't look too harsh. Now I'm gonna add the light gold to the center of my lid just to give it some dimension. This makes it look so good. Now I'm gonna add the white shade to my inner corner. I put too much. You know what? I'm gonna fix that with this one. There we go. They're also really easy to blend out, which is good. Now I'm gonna add more of the gold shade, but I'm trying not to put too much. So my Cupid's bow. Ooh, that's a lot. Also under my brow. This is really intense, so I'm just gonna blend this one out. This looks so much better blended out. It just looks a bit more natural, but you know, I'm still super glowing. Let's add to my collarbones. This looks so dewy. It's so beautiful. Okay, done. I basically just have to stop myself because I'm already glowing everywhere and I have to stop. I do tend to over highlight sometimes, so I really have to stop myself, so I'm stopping right now. Final thoughts on this. I love it so much. It's so beautiful and dewy and glowy, and it's so silky feeling. It's just, I don't know, I can't explain it. I love the glow. I love the feel of it. I love touching it. Like when I was doing the finger swatches, it just felt so silky and smooth, and I don't know, it's just, I love it. I also really think it's great that you get 3 different shades in this one highlighter compact, because usually you just get one and you know, you don't normally finish it, but it's great that you have 3 different shades in this one. You can do an eye look and you can highlight at the same time, which is what I did today. So I think this is a really, really great product, and I'm definitely gonna be using this so much in the future. Now let's try out the Ofra long-lasting liquid lipsticks. This is how all 3 shades look like. I really don't know which color I want to try out today, but you know, let's see. This one is a bit too dark for me and a bit too edgy for me. It's actually more of a brown violet type of shade, so I don't think this is a shade I would typically wear on an everyday basis, so we're not gonna go with this one. Now Spell looks really beautiful, peachy pink metallic type of shade, so this could be a front runner. Or we can go with Nude Potion. Now this one I think is the safest choice, but I'm not quite sure if this shade of nude would look good with my skin tone, so I don't know, what do you guys think? You know what, I'm gonna try out Nude Potion today because it just looks like a good nude. I hope it's a universal nude, but you know, sometimes they're just not, and with my tan skin, I'm not quite sure how good this will look, but you know what, let's see. I could be wrong. This is how one layer of the lipstick looks like, and honestly, I am not loving it. I mean, the color for me is really off. I think I look dead. Yeah, I think this makes my lips look dead. So it's just not a shade for me, and if you look closely, it's super emphasizing the texture on my lips. Like it's so bad. It's just really cracking, and I don't know what to do. You know what? I'm gonna try adding a second layer, so let's see if that makes it better. Okay, I think the second layer made it so much better in terms of pigmentation, but I am still not loving the shade. It's just not for me. It doesn't match my skin tone, so definitely not loving the shade, but 2 layers I would definitely recommend, but it still emphasizes my texture in a really bad way. I mean, liquid lipsticks do emphasize the texture on your lips, but this one is kind of a lot. Like it's just too much for me, so I don't know. I don't really like this. I'm not a fan, but you know what? I'm gonna try a different color and then see how I like that one. I'm gonna try out this Spell shade next, so hopefully this looks way better on me than the first liquid lipstick. Okay, this one is really too bright for me, so this is definitely something I don't normally use, but I think it looks better than the first one I tried on. Also, there's also a difference in formula with these two. This one felt creamy on the lips, and this one is more liquidy, so I don't know what happened there. Maybe the formulations are different because they're different shades, but I don't know. But I really like the feel of Spell better than this one, which is a Nude Potion, and this one does look a bit better on my face, but I don't know, I'm still not for either of these shades, so I don't know, I don't think I would use any of these shades at all. Actually, even this shade right here, the one I didn't try, I don't think I'm gonna use it either. So I think in terms of shade preference, I won't be using any of these, but this one, the Spell shade, I think the formula is really good. I don't know why it's different from the Nude Potion one, but the formula of this one is better. It's more hydrating, it's less drying. I see less of my texture when I use this shade as opposed to the first one. So definitely I would go for this one in a better shade. If I do find one, it actually feels really good on the lips, so that's great. Final thoughts on these, I will probably not be using them at all after this video, but the most wearable shade for me would be this one. This is what I have on my lips right now, but it's also too bright for me. Like, it's like a bright peachy orange, and I'm not quite sure what I feel about it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like it. Does it look good on me? Is this a shade you would wear? I don't know. I've never really done these types of shades before, so I don't know. I do like the formula on this one though. It's very comfortable, feels really light on the lips, it doesn't emphasize the texture as much, and it does dry down pretty fast, and it just feels really comfortable, which is really what I look for in a liquid lip. You know what, let's do a transfer test. I just want to see if the lipstick transfers once it dries down. Okay, so there is a bit of transfer, so it's not even transfer proof. I don't know, these are just not super successful for me. I mean, shade wise, but formula wise, it's one of the better ones, but it's not transfer proof, so I don't know. How is it long lasting if it's not transfer proof? That's just what I'm thinking of now, so I don't know. Maybe I'll try this a few more times, let you guys know what I think, but so far these are kind of a bleh for me. Like, I wouldn't go out and buy more of these. I'm gonna try to put Nude Potion on top of Spell. Maybe I'll end up with a color I actually like, or I could end up ruining this entire look, but you know what, that's okay. Let's see. I am so happy that I mixed Nude Potion with Spell, because I created this beautiful color that I can definitely see myself wearing in real life. This is it. This is the look I created with my new Ofra Cosmetics products. Overall, I super duper love the highlighter. It is so good. You guys should definitely try it out. The liquid lipsticks, on the other hand, I am not super a fan of them. It's just not shades I would ever wear, and the formula is just not the best for me. Like, it's okay, it's just not the best. If you guys want to try out Ofra Cosmetics for yourself, just check them out in SM. That's where I bought this bundle. That's it for this first impressions video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah!